As you can see, I finished a little more than I intended to before I came back. I have finished the brioche section and the 2 purple knit rows, the 6 green rows, and 2 more purple rows. Now it's time to do another brioche section. As the instructions say, you repeat from here to here 3 times. Okay, we're starting on our 2nd time. So, first thing is we change our needles. I set my marker aside so it won't get dropped on the floor. This time, we're going to take the purple. The purple's going to be our knit row. And what that'll do is where this is the light blue, it will now be purple, and this will be the light blue. So it'll give us a difference in our color scheme. We know how to do it. It'll be interesting. Let's try it. Okay. We're doing brioche, so first thing we do is we knit the first one. The second one, we slip as if to purl. Knit, slip as if to purl. Knit, all the way around, slip as if to purl. Now, there's no contrast here, so you're going to have to keep your head on straight and watch what you're doing. This is single color brioche. It's done all the time. The original CC beanie, that's what's there, is a single color brioche. It's the important part of reading your stitches. If you get distracted or something interrupts you, to be able to come back and look and say, oh, that's a knit stitch. This one needs to be a purl with a yarn over. Knit, purl. Oh, I think I said the wrong thing earlier. We want our knit to be to the back so that this lays nicely behind, so we don't lose that yarn over. Okay, next we're going to purl. Okay, so don't forget our marker. Now that we have the new needle on, we can put the marker back. And that's where I tied the yarn together, and it's a little puckery. Okay, so new yarn. Leave a tail. Okay, we're going to slip as if to knit, followed by purl 2 together. And I want a big enough line here. Slip as if to knit and purl 2 together around. Make sure you get that tail back over where it belongs so you've got a yarn over. Oops. I lost it. been like that, yeah, like that. There we go. All right. Now we also have our beginning tail from our knit, from our purl, and we have to make sure it's over too, because it's going to lay over that knit stitch. Okay, let's get it all going here. So get that over there. So it's lying over the knit stitch, so it gets caught into the knit stitch. The knit stitch. Come on, lay down. There we go. This one is going to be a slip as if to purl, because this is our knit row. And we can begin to see our pattern laying down. I'll continue doing this and one more repeat, and I'll be back. The last repeat I'm going to do the same as here. That way it'll give it a little bit of evenness. Begin one way, change, in the other way.